Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 76 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Let's start by preparing our left hand. We're going to start with a D major chord shape, that is finger 1 on string number 3, fret number 2, finger 2 goes to string number 1, fret number 2, and finger 3, string number 2, fret number 3. And to prepare our right hand, we're going to bring the thumb to string number 4, the index finger to string number 3, the middle finger to string number 2, and the ring finger to string number 1. Once we have located our fingers there, we lift our hand just a little bit, making sure to keep the tip of our fingers close to the strings to make it easier to get those strings when we need them. As for the right hand throughout the piece, index finger is always going to be plucking string number 3, the middle finger is always going to be plucking string number 2, and the ring finger is always going to be plucking string number 1. The thumb is going to pluck sometimes string number 4 and sometimes string number 5. Let's get started with measure number 1, which is also going to give us the finger picking pattern that we're going to be using throughout the piece. We begin beat 1 by plucking strings 4 and 1 at the same time, then string number 2, 3, and 2. To go into beat number 2, we need to bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 3, while we keep the pressure on all the other fingers. And we're going to pluck string number 1, 2, 3, and 2. Finally, beat number 3, we remove finger 4. We make sure to be pressing properly with finger 2 on fret number 2. And we pluck strings number 1, 2, 3, and 2. Before going into measure number 2, let's take a moment to process the finger picking pattern. Every beat is going to be divided into 4 strokes. Strokes number 2, 3, and 4 of every beat are always going to be strings number 2, 3, and 2 again. The first stroke of every beat is going to have a ring finger on string number 1. And the first stroke of the thumb is going to be either string 4, 5, or 6. Let's hear measure number 1 once again and look at the finger picking pattern in action. This finger picking pattern is going to be constant almost throughout the entire piece. It's going to change a little bit at the end, and I will let you know how we're going to change it. To go from measure number 1 to measure number 2, we're going to make sure to leave finger 2 right where we have it on string number 1, fret number 2. And we're going to bring finger number 1 to string number 2, fret number 2. We are going to need also open strings 5 and 3. We apply the finger picking pattern on this measure as well, which is thumb and ring finger at the same time, middle, index, middle. We remove finger 2, making sure to keep finger 1 where we have it, and we play ring, middle, index, middle. Then we bring finger 2 back to string number 3, fret number 2, and we play ring, middle, index, middle. To go into measure number 3, we are going to look at finger number 2 once again. We're going to use finger number 2 as guiding finger, bringing it from fret number 2 to fret number 3 as we bring finger 1 into a half bar position on fret number 2. Once we have that position, we can do the finger picking pattern, plucking strings 5 and 1 at the same time, and then strings number 2, 3, and 2. We bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 5, while we keep the bar where we have it, and we play ring, middle, index, middle. We remove finger 4, activating, as a matter of speaking, finger number 2 on string number 1, fret number 3, and we pluck strings 1, 2, 3, and 2. Let's see measure number 3 in action. Let's talk about a pattern immersion on the left hand. Every measure starts with a position on the left hand, changes something on the first string on the second beat and then goes back to the initial position of the measure. In the case of measure number 3, the initial position is this one, half a bar on fret number 2, covering strings number 1, 2, and 3, and finger 2 on string number 1, fret number 3. The modification on beat 2 is by adding finger 4 on string number 1, fret number 5, and on beat 3 we go back to the starting position. Having this in mind will make it easier to learn the following measures and to memorize the measures that we have already covered. To go from measure number 3 to measure number 4, once again we are going to rely on finger number 2 to be the guiding finger. At the end of measure number 3 we have it on string number 1, fret number 3. We are going to remove the finger 1 and we're going to gently slide the finger back to fret number 2 as we bring fingers 1 and 3 to make the D major chord shape that we had at the beginning of the piece. Finger number 1 on string number 3, fret number 2, and finger number 3 on string number 2, fret number 3. We play the finger picking pattern. Measure number 4 is an exact repetition of measure number 1. To go into measure number 5, we are not going to have a guiding finger for the first time throughout the lesson, but we can still help our left hand by having finger number 4 close to string number 1. As we move the whole hand 1 fret behind, we lower finger number 4 on string number 1, fret number 2. We bring finger 1 to string number 4, fret number 1, and finger 3 to string number 3, fret number 2. We're going to use also an open second string. Finger picking pattern remains the same. Thumb plays string number 4, ring finger plays string number 1 at the same time, middle finger on the second, index finger on the third, middle finger on the second again. Fingers 1 and 3 are going to remain where we have them, and finger 4 is going to slide to fret number 3. We play strings number 1, 2, 3, and 2, and finger 4 goes back to fret number 2. We play strings number 1, 2, 3, and 2. Remember that the ring finger is always going to be plucking string number 1, the middle finger is always going to be plucking string number 2, and the ring finger is always going to be plucking string number 3. To go from measure 5 to measure 6, we're going to use finger 4 as a guiding finger. We're going to remove fingers 1 and 3, and we're going to bring finger 4 from fret number 2 to fret number 7. We pluck string number 6 with the thumb, and first with the ring finger. Open second, open third, open second, open first, middle, index, middle, as we bring finger number 2 to string number 1, fret number 2. We pluck string 1, 2, 3, and 2. And once again, finger 2 is going to be the guiding finger to go from the end of measure number 6 to the beginning of measure number 7. We bring it from fret number 2 to fret number 3 as we place finger 1 covering strings 1, 2, and 3. We pluck strings 5 and 1 at the same time. 2, 3, 2. We bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 5, and we play strings 1, 2, 3, 2. We remove, and on beat number 3 of measure 7, the finger picking pattern changes. We're going to pluck 3 strings at the same time, all open, strings 5, 3, and 2, as we remove all the fingers from the left hand. And to go into measure number 8, we bring finger number 2 to string number 2, fret number 3, and we pluck string 4 and 2 at the same time. And the last note is a natural harmonic on string number 4, fret number 12. And we finish with a 1-beat rest. The way to play a natural harmonic on fret number 12 is by having a slight contact with the string over measure number 12 without applying any kind of pressure. If we apply pressure, we get a normal note. If we don't apply any pressure at all, but a slight contact of the finger, we get that natural harmonic sound, which is the sound that we want to get and that the score is indicating us to do by this instruction over here. And there you have it, friends. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. As usual, in the description box, you will find a link to a play-along video where you can practice with me this lesson at a slower tempo. You will also find other links to important resources to help you develop your guitar and musicianship skills. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.